Do you want realistic XRP price talk? Of course you do. Do you want to talk about zeros where you gotta use commas? Well, if that's the case, think out of here and join one of those Hopium BS channels where they talk about moon crap. Yeah, moon stuff. Let's talk realistic XRP price. And to show you that I don't live in an echo chamber, because come on, how many other channels out there can you disagree with them and then they ban you? But not on this channel. Why? Because I love everyone. Special 3763 says, you sound extremely stupid, get educated. This after me doing a video on XLM price action, of which I have that right now on the screen, 12.3. So who's the stupid one? Billions of lumens being spent every year and you're getting a jack shitola. But we're here to talk XRP price action. But first, let's take a look at the broader heat map. Ooh, okay, there's a little bit of nasty red. But ETH is pumping, and I've been the one saying ETH to 3. I'm happy. I'll clear ETH to 25 and be happy. I'll clear ETH to 3 and I'll be crazy happy and go shopping. Bitcoin sitting at 44,827. Sol 96.33. XRP, but I thought the train left the station. We're going to talk price action. 59 cents with XLM. Yeah, we already talked about that. Let's tell the story. Okay, so on the left side of your screen, Taurus pump right here, okay? Taurus pump got us up to 88.7. Awesome, because about a month and a few days later, we erased the whole thing and we got back down to 46.8. Did the train leave the station? Yeah, I mean, it came back. Yeah, I got lots of gasoline. Realistic price talk. Now, what's interesting about this is there was plenty of buy opportunities here, sub 50 cents for XRP, and even right around 50 cents, 50, 53. So this ramp up right here is BTC ETF, like the rumor part of it, where they're like, yeah, we were submitting stuff, we're doing revisions, we're working through things, you know, like that kind of stuff, okay? That was the big ramp up right here. You saw that got us up to 73 cents, well, just under 73 cents, 72.9. There was now some fake XRP ETF news, got it up to 74 cents. So you can see the top here, both super, super close to each other. Now, interesting about this, right? People got some exit liquidity here. So that was like the rumor, right? The rumor of stuff happening. Now the actual news is this right here. 62.2 is a high, a low of 58.7. So Taurus action, big move. ETF rumor news, okay, that pulled it up pretty good. Actual news, nothing. Now, the deeper story though is the volume. People could be like, oh bro, you know, they're not ready for just don't give me that crap. Let's talk realistic, okay? The volume on the actual ETF news pump was 2.1 billion. 2.1 billion. The volume on the Taurus pump day, 10.4. What event do you think investors out there, big money, real money, thought was more important? Taurus pump or ETF? Obviously, Taurus pump, right? Taurus pump, about 5 times more volume than the actual ETF news. Now the big rumor days, 3.29 volume. The fake rumor day, 3 billion in volume. So still, the Taurus pump, even at some of like the biggest buy the rumor, you know, type days, was more than 3 times stronger than any of this ETF news. Now, we've known this all along. Why? How? Because we can look at volume on the charts and we talk about that. When I show XRP price talk, I always show volume with it. Well, not always, but oftentimes I show it with it. And I show it because volume is a way to gauge interest. So even if price is going up, but price is going up on low interest, it's soft. The Taurus move, which was considered the most bullish move for XRP, got it to 88.7. And a month and 4 days later, erased everything. Now, subsequent moves have not been anywhere near as strong. And the volume just has been very, very poo-poo. Now, I don't live in an echo chamber, okay? Like I said, I don't know how many other channels you could go on. And try it. Seriously, try it. Like, call them out on their stupid BS. XRP buyback at 40,000. Trains leaving the station. Hold on, where's my homegirl at? There she is. She is burning that bitch down. Why? Because she got plenty of gasoline. Why? Because the train keeps leaving the station. Why? Because I was posting stuff and oh man, the price is really starting to peel back now. 58.6. Because it's a narrative that was sold, but look, less volume is buying into this narrative. Torres news is real. BTC ETF, man, it was buy the rumor, sell the news. So it's not looking good. And then that gets back to what we were talking about before. What are the narratives? What are the buzzwords? Settlement. What else are they going to sell you on? If it's not the ETF news, what are they going to sell it on? ISO 20022? Are they going to sell you on more rumors? Cross-border payments? The interest is definitely dwindling. Klaus, you're negative. Klaus, I'm telling you what the volume and what the charts are telling us. The ETF thing was a big nothing burger. 0 calories on 0 calories. Meanwhile, I did a story earlier about ETH running to 3, and people are like, oh, that's stupid. Why? Because I'm not selling a narrative of like 0.00000 100x, 1000x. There's obvious plays and moves out there, and then there are ways to just bend people over on narratives. And this is just proven to be one of those situations where people get bent over on narratives. Unless you're playing short-term pumps and dumps and turning and flipping and making the money move like Flipper, thank you 50 Cent, then you've been hodling doing I don't know what, just wasted time. Man, there's plays out there. But it's cool because, I'm really stupid. Because XLM is just killing it. XRP, the train's leaving the station. 58.9. I mean, 58.9. This is what we're getting. This is what we're getting for ETF action. We zoom in. This right here. That's the ETF move. This is the announcement. This is the trading day. This is today. Oh, come on. We're never going to get prices at 60 cents again. Do I got to find that tweet? Yeah, let's find that tweet. And here's that tweet, January 11th. Yep, just a day ago at 7:32 a.m. I can now comfortably say this. The 50 cent range will never be seen again. XRP, the standard. Ooh, there's going to be a buzzword. To the moon for reals. In that meme where, like, the girl is sitting there with the fire? Well, of course you do because you watched the video. And she's sitting there and she's looking and she's got that smile on her face. It's not that it's like dancing on graves. But what I'm dancing on is the narratives that have been sold that have just been proven to be false and false and false and false. I mean, we're going to get bombarded with settlement talk, XRP ETF. That might have some juice. Some actual, like, filings and stuff. That might get things to pump a little bit. But, I mean, you see, like, Torres pump is where it was at. 10, 11 billion in volume compared to like 3 billion in ETF volume. Ooh, look out. But bro, just wait until all the funds start flowing into it. Oh yeah, the market really gives a crap as I'm looking at a big red candlestick in front of me and I'm like, you're telling me that's the ETF launch chart? I'm looking at it on the screen. That's what I'm pointing at right now. So, I don't know. I mean, realistic price talk. I can't lie to people. I just don't think it's right. And I don't think it's fair when you watch videos of people that call out moon stuff, but then when you call them out, they block you. I call out like realistic stuff and people then call me out. I don't block them. So, the echo chamber thing, just I can tolerate it. I can handle it. It's not a big deal. But I wish other creators could. That'd be nice if people were, would listen with their ears open, but it just doesn't happen. Then again, I'm the stupid one at XRP at 58.7 and XLM is at, I don't know, like some 12.2 garbage crap right there. So, alright. Well, I did an earlier video about the ETH to 3. Check it out. That's this video right here. My other channel, Gold and Silver and Jewelry channel. That's this one right here. Gold's still looking pretty juicy too. So, I will catch you cool cats later as it is a rehab day. Rehab exercises. PT work, STEM stuff, neuromuscular re-education. It's not fun. Catch you cool cats later.